Good day, everyone. We are going now to week 37, and this time I hope everything goes all right. The week 36 was okay, but I feel the week 37 is very strong and also with full of energy. So I'm gonna ask the angel, which angel give me or help me to give the right answers to you all today, or this week, or the week 37. I'm gonna open my cards and I'm slowly focus my mind of my card, the angel, which angel give me the right answers today. Hey, I'm very happy today. Please don't hesitate about anything. This card tells me this angel is Haniel. Haniel. It is a energy, a woman's energy. She's a very strong angel. She knows what she wants, and she's telling me you have to use your moment of everywhere you are going, and use your energy in the positive energy. And this angel is happy. She's sitting, and she's playing her but you know, it's sort of guitar, and she's very happy. If you use this energy for this angel guide you everywhere you go in the world. So I'm gonna give one of my card travel. This is not nice, because the other card of me also travel, but travel we need it now on week 37. This is the time to travel. This is the time to use your power, to use everything you want. Traveling is very important for people to bring yourself to the nice energy and rest in your mind. Well, I haven't traveled for a long time, but I know I'm gonna travel with my team in a couple of months. But traveling is very important for us. But wherever you are, on the car, on the plane, stay positive, and or on the boat and or swimming, and so use that mind of yours, traveling in yourself, and use that traveling to bring yourself outside. Okay, I'm gonna use the third card. And this angel is telling me you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself what you want, and be happy, and don't use negative energy. Please use positive, and use every power wherever you are traveling in the world. Use your power and believe in yourself, and do it, and don't hesitate about anything. Please don't, or you fall down. Okay, my last card is number 4. Sure, traveling and fresh air in yourself. Traveling is very important, and also the fresh in yourself. The fresh means that you have to forgive yourself and forgive everyone, and use your freshness in mind what you want, and take it from me, because I believe in all these angels. These angels tells you what you want, and where you are in the world. Please use it. Use that confidence of yours. Use that power of yours to further in your life. Sorry. I use my Dutch accent again, but it's nice to hear that Dutch accent, and that is what all these angels are telling me in week 37. And I send all my love, and wherever you are in the world, I send my love to you, and goodbye, and thank you for watching me. Bye bye.
Welkom bij Rob's Weekly Lenormand kaartlegging. En het gaat nu over week 37. En ik ga eerst een kaart uitschudden voor hoe de situatie voor jou op dit moment is. Dat is de kaart de Roede.